beach is a good free spot to watch the fireworks because you get the best view, and you just sit on the beach and you watch it over the ocean. It's a good spot. It's free.
Any moment.
Any moment.
Any moment.
Any moment. I'm gonna try to fly the drone.
Under the stars in Santa Maria we stand, colors exploding like dreams in the sand. Each burst a memory, a magical scene, with laughter and joy we share in between. Feel the love in the air, watch it ignite. Fireworks lighting up the ocean shore, in the rhythm of the night. I adore Santa Maria's beauty, wrapped in delight. Together we watch, oh what a beautiful sight. The waves them softly, a rhythmic embrace. With every firework, a smile on our face. The night tells stories of hope and cheer. In this paradise with you, I feel near. Hearts united as the night unfolds. Fireworks lighting up the ocean shore, in the rhythm of the night. I adore Santa Maria's beauty, wrapped in delight. Together we watch, oh what a beautiful sight. So let's
Course is so tímido.
Yeah, they didn't start 11:30. It was a quarter to 11 they started, or quarter to midnight.
So slowly.
Yeah, and then there was more at midnight.
And after I say, where is the firework? I'm
Yeah.
here, I'm waiting, so calm. Now we have three
Yeah, now there's three.
fireworks.
So we'll have to update the video for next
One
year.
here, another
And
there,
there, yeah.
another there. And let's see.
Yeah.
It's so good. Come on. Hello.
Today is a very great day.
Yeah.
We are celebrating New Year's Eve
Yes.
in Cape Verde.
Yes.
It's your first time here?
Santa Maria, let's go!
Yes.